Hello. Say hi, everybody. It's Tegan. It's your smiley host, Tegan. Welcome to her show. What do you have to say? No way. What else? Who are you interviewing today? Are you going to interview Otter? Yeah. Otter? Are you going to have some stupid pet tricks? Kind of falling down there. Let me put you up. Hi. Mm-hmm. Goo goo goo. Goo 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 and ba ba ba. Is that little shirt getting in your way? You gonna eat it? Then ba ba ba.